Hey friends, welcome back to the Maple Leaf Barn. I'm Libby and today I saw my first hummingbird, and so I am going to put out some things for the birds in the garden just to help with pollinating and all that kind of stuff. So here's what I'm doing. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, follow along with us as we start our micro farm. So it's in the middle of our dahlia bed. So we have all of our tubers over here, some sunflowers back here, and then we have a bunch of seedlings in here. So I thought it'd be nice just to put it in here and allow a different location for one set of water locations. So yeah, it's kind of cute. We also had a very bad storm. I had not been able to get these tied up yet because our supplies were late, and you can see that there are some damaged dahlias. I mean, this is completely torn off, so actually should just rip this out because that one is. Maybe I might be able to save this guy if I stake him, but you can see there was quite a bit of damage, and that was just yesterday, so I haven't been able to come out here. We've got this one. None of these got staked because I just didn't get around to doing it in time. This one looks very promising. Very, very cute. I like that. But anyways, let me show you the next section for the feeders. Alright, this is on the back side, and we put up 2 hooks on the pergola that's helping trellis the tomatoes. So I'm gonna put this really cute hummingbird feeder. I got this at Menards, which is a very Midwest hardware store. I think they literally only have them in the Midwest. But anyways, I got this there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it up here. I think that's cute. Hopefully that gives the hummingbirds a little bit extra water. So we've got our one that's over here, and then this one. So hopefully it's gonna help our zinnias, which are looking really, really good. How I try to plant these in like color order, and yet somehow one of the orange varieties, not sure what variety this is, it got put in this section with the white. So I don't know how I did that. And then look at this monstrosity. This is a zinnia. It's just really weirdly formed. Look how huge that is. It's very strange. I think I'm just gonna pull that out because, I mean, who wants a really weird looking zinnia? Anyways, so yeah, our zinnias are popping off. This is Oklahoma pink, I believe, and this is salmon. Don't know if it's Oklahoma or, yeah, it's definitely Oklahoma salmon. They're so small. That's something I didn't realize, how small they would be. But this guy, oh man, look at that. That's a Bennery giant. I don't know what color this is. It's already starting to kind of fade, so I should trim that. And then, oh, that's gonna be beautiful. Then we have our successions going on over here. Even some of the zinnias got a little wiped out. There was a big plant here from the storm. So, you know. Alright, so then put, sorry about the wind, we've had very windy days recently. I'm gonna put a regular bird feeder right here on the second pier, just to encourage some extra bird activity. They really love these trees back here. There's cardinals, and I know they're not incredibly friendly, but I'll take cardinals over no birds. I did put up this bird house. I saw a blue bird. I was trying to attract them, but they came, picked their head through the hole, and then left. I've never seen them again. So that's okay. Maybe next season. Well, anyways, let's go ahead and put something up there. Actually, it's so hot that my camera keeps turning off and not allowing me to record because it's so hot. So I'm just gonna put this up here. This is, I think it was called a wild seed or wildflower seed mix. I would love for this to encourage more bird activity to help keep down some pests, but we'll see. I'll keep you posted. That's all for today, friends. I love birds. I don't know if it's just because I'm now in my 30s that I just am obsessed with birds, but when there's a bird in the yard, I get really excited. Drew can attest to that. It's embarrassing. So if you are also that way, be sure to leave me a comment below and let me know what birds get you excited. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.